The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the Government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy, with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration, or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).
Harga jingja aksiden kali hapdeng kawai kamar ti Alto ba kawai ki Innova. Unongnya jong Alto ulaklar no hasyan kat ba arngut ki besong ki Innova kelamen saujur balapen kit iki mar sekeja kasumar Guwahati. Kat kum kejing tip leo lum le thu ba kawai kali marti Alto ke bananu number ML Chipo E nyau not kendai saw. Kablanya stat ba do ba Helen Lingdo mana kasnong tengah tang marepoi kawai kejaka ha khat armer ha bernihat ta kejing mamla mentek kam syu kali kalalik benten ra iu divider but skala siat chashiliang kesurok ba national highway Bahendrio balik tenra apa de kali Innova kabadan number ML Chipo S not ibe kablanya da umanisha Jha Kumar Rio jing tibru bahagian ni kejing jai tengkuk kali kabala jur bha pro artli ki kali kilap rahi pom Bat habala penkit no iu ba Helen Lingdo berlihat hospital dari doktor kilapan bena bola khalat lupa syoban poi ha kejaga sumar amar kejing mensau kebajur kat ba armut ki besong ha ki Innova kila mensau jur na kalian ki pulet jong ke bernihat police outpost tang mare yo jing tip kila let mar sing kejaka ban penlong ya kejing to okep